So friends, today I'm alone here in Kleterchi, Qatar. So since morning I felt hungry but I don't know what to eat. So because rice also was gone since last night I ate it because we cooked yesterday during daytime. So now I remember there was a shop there. So I'm decided to go there and have some food to eat. So, but I don't think I will eat rice. I will look for like sukha roti, what they call it in the UK. Okay, so I will look for that. If there is available, I will eat. But if not available anymore, I will not eat. I will buy some some extra food. Okay, like in the small shop. But it's not junk food. Definitely some kind of food that will make my stomach full. No? That can fulfill my stomach. Not that junk food that how many packet I eat also is not useful and I will not feel anything in my stomach. So that's not worth eating. So today I'm all alone, as you can see. So I'm decided to go there. So it's not far from here, but by the way, it's not that near also. So please watch with me till the end. Never skip this video. Oh, I'll wear my chapel first. Okay, and I have to already take the keys to lock the door. And the window is closed, both windows closed. I'm open. Okay, let's go. Yo. I don't know which keys. Most of the time I have to touch which key. I think this one. Because two doors, this side and that side also have different keys. One of this side and other one from other side. Hope it works. Come on. Yo. Yes, it does. On the other side. So I bet this one from this other side. So let's close it. Yeah, perfect. I brought only 200 rupees. I will eat alone. So I know this will be enough for me for today. For my breakfast, let me say it clearly. For my breakfast, it will be enough. And that's the shop that I want to eat. So let's get inside and have some food. The food was ordered, so it's all about to eat now. So I'm gonna grab it and have some fun. Let's see what's next. I'm done eating the food and I have left the restaurant there back behind, so I'm gonna get it back to my vehicle. I've reached my vehicle out there, so I'm already about to get inside my vehicle, so I have to open the door first with my keys. Okay, I'll take the keys now. Yeah, oh no, I forget again. I think this one. So I'm opening it. Yeah, it worked. So from that side also I open. And this was the keys from this side. And okay, I'll open it now. Yeah, it should work. Yeah, it does. Okay, come on. And I'll get in from handyman side. Yo, and boom. Yo. So I'll put the key back in there. Oh, my legs looks. I have to wash it. But if I don't wash, I cannot sleep or climb onto the seat. I have to sit here all day long, so I better wash it. So guys, done now. And I brought with me 200. So now it's gone. Left with me only 150. So I thought that 50 that I've used will be enough for the day today. See, but if I'm still hungry during night time, mostly 7 p.m. above, I'm gonna use again 50. But I don't think so. Okay, my stomach will not drain that food so fast. I will not use and will not consume that. Drain, use, consume, I don't know, no matter what, because my English always like that. It's not good at grammar. So whatever in my brain, I just make it out because I want to say it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So now my job is just sleeping here.